Man, did you see that? Live lobster, £50 per kilo. Was it per kilo? Rachas. Mr. Quick. I say I was second hand, was a third hand bike is what I was so carried. Hello, brothers, sisters. I do this, boy. Who can we see that when I'm back again? Yeah, so I'm taking you to town today. Yeah, I'm taking you to one of the markets we have in England, Leeds City Market. It's kind of street market, but it's been fenced, you know. And man, it's very cool. Yeah, so this is a walk through or drive through. Enough of us, yeah. And it is what it is. Let's do this. Man, with this my hoodie or what do you call it, wool or cap on, tells you that the weather is freaking cold, man. It's really cold and it's windy as well. It's ain't no freeze. So this is the bus coming.
Leeds is the largest city in the county of West Yorkshire and it can be found in the northern part of England. This city became popular in the 17th and 18th century because of what they were producing and trading in back in the days, which was wool, and it attained its city status in 1893. It's among the 5 largest cities in England, competing in Manchester and Birmingham.
So we're here, last stop, and Thank you. Yeah, so city center, and that is the last stop. Okay, and here too, when you get out on the bus, you thank the bus driver. You need to thank him. So Auntie Day all over, yeah. Yeah, the Auntie Day is very common. You see Auntie Day over there, double decker Auntie Day. Man, it's freaking cold, man. Okay, so we're here, and that's the market over there, Leeds City Market. You see that? So we had the market, and it has so many entrances, like 4 points, which you can enter. So the point that we just saw is for flowers and all those stuff. I'm not interested in flowers. It pays by, yes. I'm going straight to the food side, which is the other side. Yeah, it's in Yonko and you if check it. Yeah. Oh, these are sweets and candies.
So this market is very big and huge that they sell everything because there's a lot of stuff inside that you can imagine. They even sell live seafood, live one, like live lobster and live crab. And the prices of some of this live food is mind-blowing, man. Expensive, yeah. That's why sometimes when you come to Africa, we try to eat all the local food that our hands can lay on, because over here, you can't eat that much local and rich food. You can't because it's expensive. The market is divided into two. They have the outside section where they sell the second-hand goods, and the inside section. And as I said earlier, they sell everything from clothes, just name it, everything, anything, flowers, everything. Rather fresh veggies over here.
So these are fresh fruits, everything fresh, bananas, mangoes, tangerine, cherries, everything, mushrooms, strawberries, everything. Fresh vegetables all over. And luckily we have a Ghana yam over here. But anyway, banchi, Brazil cocoa, like everything sorted. This is papaya. So this is seafood for the seafood lovers, yeah? Cottonage in order, you know. Wow, this is interesting. Man, this is too huge. Oh my god. I found this man over here selling African stuffs over here, man. The heritage and the culture is brought to England. It's amazing. Wow. Everything, African style. See those over there? Wow. Interesting. Fresh granite, tomatoes, everything, man. Hibiscus flower, sobolo, shallots, ginger, garlic, okra, pepper. So heading towards outside, this is the outside market. So where we were was the inside and this is outside. And over here too, they sell stuffs. This shop is an army shop. So those who have gone to retirement, they bring their stuff over here and they sell it. Yeah, this is proper army wear. Ghana is a water tower. Here they sell it outside. Like you see, this boot has been in Afghanistan for so many years. Yeah, waterproof. Kind of the airborne jacket stuff. Man, it's crazy. Wow. The general stuff's over here. I say I was a handle a third handy bike is what I was so kind of So basically this market they sell everything. They sell everything from first class to fifth class kind of yeah. So all this a pound. So over here when you come outside the price is different from those inside. And it's quite more cheaper over here than inside. People prefer coming out to buy than to be inside. Okay, so I'm buying this for vegan stew, vegetarian stew. Oh, I'll do stew for you guys. Yeah. So one bowl is £1, so I'm buying £2 and so this is fresh tangerine, like fresh. How much is the bowl? £1. Can I have one? Thank you.
Okay, can you pass what this guy and this?
Okay. So here you pick, then you give it to. Yes, sir. £1. Thank you. So £1. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. So fresh cabbage, 50p. Can I have one cabbage?
Yeah, help yourself.
Yeah. Can I pick it?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is 50p. Yeah. This is my stuff. How much samosa?
£2.
I want two.
Which one, meat, veg?
Meat.
Any sauce one? Chili sauce, yeah?
Yeah, chili sauce, yeah. So this is samosa from Hot Bites. Yeah. I'll try this with hot sauce and see. Thank you. No, I'll just use here.
Fork.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so 2 for 250. Wow, this is how it looks like. I'm still here at the market and I'm trying this samosa. Good. It's less oil because I tried one the other day. The oil was too much. This is less.
Best food in Leeds city center.
Yeah. And he's a bus driver.
Bus driver, yeah.
So if you say it's the best, it's the best because bus drivers don't eat mostly eat this kind of food. Yeah.
Yes. Truck driver,
Yeah,
bus
bus
drivers,
drivers, yeah.
they always come for better place.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
No, it's because the oil is less.
fresh food is
I
fine.
tried one the other day. There's too much oil. So much oil. Like this. Wow. So we have the sauce over here, pepper sauce. Like, wow. Man, this is nice. It's nice. This is really nice and it's not that much spicy. Just it's moderate. Yeah. Hot bite. Yeah. Hot bite. Inside Leeds Markets. Yeah. So when you visit Leeds, check him out. Hot bite. Ebusia, what a sad day. I wore deal my sign. I hear I would run a car home. Man, it's crazy. So after everything I said I wanted to do some drone shots, how do I say it, for this guy to have a feel of how the place looked like. Oh, it's windy. Also from the start, and I told you say it's windy. And my drone is also like some portable one, very smallish one. And you know, it couldn't control offending, able to handle the wind. From Nabona Kuchisa, bringing it back, you know. Anyways, you know, some intelligent thing doing inside it's also calculated distance. You know, until calculate, you know, want to remember do at 13 points. No emergency landing somewhere, I can't even trace it. Now, the battery is dead and I can't even trace it. My Miami drone. I want them inside. Like, what a sad day. And it's crazy. Man, damn it. God damn it. But anyway, still record though. Now the only thing I want to do now is to get home, get some hot water shower. As I say, I want to get dimino. Mamma mia. Bagara next time, baby. Life is good. Hello brothers, sisters, yeah, do this work. Cookie will see that when I'm back again. Yeah, so this product that I'm about to show you is a product that will save you from time, money, and space. Yes, I said space. Yeah, so it will save you from this to this. You see the difference? Okay. So over here, let's look at this one. Yeah. So this is the space that will save you. Not only that, it also preserve or prevent your food from getting spoiled. So if you have a meat or fruit or vegetable that's supposed to be in the fridge for 3 or 4 days, this rubber will allow your food to be in the fridge for 8 days and more. So if you have a meat and the meat should be in the freezer for 5 months or 3 months, this rubber will allow your meat to be in the freezer for 1 good year. The product is called food vacuum sealer. Yeah, so this is a food vacuum sealer. What it does is that it takes away the air in the bag, okay, so that everything becomes dried up. Because most of the times, food gets spoiled because of the air content that is left inside the bag. This will take away the air that will remain in the bag after sealing, okay. If you go to those supermarkets and shops, you see that we have products in the deep freezer that has been airtight sealed like this. All the air has been taken out. Yeah, they use this machine to do that process or to do that work. So this is a product that I recommend this thing to you. You can use it, and those who go to Africa Match, you can buy this
take along with you when coming back and buy your Kobe and all those things. You can use this to package to package your Kobe and all those stuff, with the bags and everything. So you put the Kobe in your bag, you airtight it, or you take away the vacuum inside the rubber, then you seal it. You're good to go. The scent of the fish or the meat will never come out, okay? So there's a promotion going on. So this product comes with 8 bags, okay? A food vacuum sealer. It comes with 8 bags, and this is the bags. So this is the bag that you can find inside the box. But also they sell additional bags, okay? And this is how it looks like. It's like a roll. So bag in a roll form. In the box, you get 2 pieces of roll in the box, okay? And this can take you like, I don't know, a year or something before it finish, depending how much you use it. So there's a promotion going on. If you click on the link, you can buy the product, which is the food vacuum sealer, the product, and also get this 2 bags roll in addition for 50%, okay? So click the link in the description box. It's Amazon product, so when you click, it will take you to Amazon shop where you can buy this product and also get this extra bags for 50% free. Okay, so this recommendation from Cooking with Sindaco to you guys, because since I'm doing food and this is about food, like I've tried it and I'm recommending this to you guys. Okay, so click on the link and get yourself this food vacuum sealer that will help you save money, time, space, and also prevent your food from spoiling early. So let's do this again for Shazam and Nizzle. Get yours. What?